I guess this will be the first waterproof rain ride. This thing does pretty good in the water though. Holy shit. You can slide the fuck out of it in the water.
What?
You can slide the fuck out of it in the water. I'm trying to narrate because I might end up making a video to this. Between this and then yesterday's ride or the other couple days, it makes for a good couple of little tests, right? Like this is a good, like, we're in the rain right now. Holy shit. Good thing he's getting the off-road tires. That tire's gonna be so fucked after.
Not tomorrow, off-road tires going on it.
That's what I mean, good thing you're getting them.
Pay me tonight, I'm taking that shit apart.
Just take it apart anyways, he's not gonna pay you, I don't think. It's wet out, buddy, of course it's gonna spin. Nice backfires. Oh, I can't get into my singing again. I'm horrible with that. I'll start singing with my music going. Next thing you know, I'm cutting all these clips. Is that a bag on the road? What was that? I'm at low battery. I'm only at a 38, it looks like. So, just kind of chilling her. He doesn't cruise too quick either, so I mean, it's not going to kill more than 8%. Whoa! I almost rear-ended you.
I thought you were right there.
No. I almost rear-ended you, buddy. I ride your ass a lot of the time like a race fucking car. Until a corner, then I stop because I know you're going to fucking do that shit.
I'll do this but it's stiff on that street.
Yeah.
This one.
Probably. Pull right and then left, I bet you. Oh. I thought you were going to build your swinging momentum and swing, and then big swing.
This thing feels so nice, I'm not going to lie.
The what? Yeah, it's not bad. This is like a summer mist.
No, so we have, hey, it used to be 30%, it's 30% of the town.
Oh, that's kind of weird.
Yeah.
That was fucked. You can slide really, really far with those. Like, that was far.
Like, I'm going to be keeping this tire set up, but I am going to be switching it.
Yeah, just keep the tires, though, for whenever you switch.
Like, this is nice.
That tire's going to be so cooked after.
I know. Well, I'm doing it, buddy.
The only thing I don't like about riding in the rain is your hands get so slippery. I need my gloves. If I wore my gloves, I'd be fine. But without gloves, your hands won't slip on the grip. It's so weird. I should not have done that motion. My bad. That's got to stay in the video now. I can't. Nope. Connor! It's Connor, yeah. Let's scare the shit out of them. Okay, this part I'll give to Tyler. I'm kind of stupid being down here in the wet grass. That'll give to him. Him being on the road, smarter, okay.
You want to ride? Still looking at like Cisco or whatever that is right over there? Oh no, I never even worked at Cisco. I didn't know if there was Cisco or somewhere at that factory over there. Where are you guys off to right now?
Home?
Everywhere. Everywhere and anywhere. Well, I keep talking, but I gotta keep going, bro. I'm going straight up.
Man, you can so tell he's gotten into hard drugs.
Yeah, he's gotten...
Go straight. Hopefully it's not that bad on the camera. My goggles are completely covered in fucking like little rain droplets, really. My goggles have been so many times rinsed over, cleaned, and wiped. They've lost that waterproof kind of protective layer so it doesn't bead off. It just kind of stays on there as little balls. What does this guy do it? Look at him. I gotta put on some music whenever he does that. I was like a little compilation one day. It's like, why are we going 20? It's because of school. He's going 40. He's going 40 for the school. See? That's exactly why he was going that speed. Because of school. This guy just tries to speed limit, so.
My foot started to slide, so I was like, I'm going to grip off of that. Look at that. That's scary. If I had a jumper, that'd be fun.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I want to put those other tags on it. The other tags that grip upward. Kind of got more grip now.
Okay.
The rain's up. I'm going to go for a ride for a moment.
Pardon?
Lean back.
Okay. No, I lose balance on this one. You gotta lean forward here. It's because my balance is so far backwards, you have to lean forward. Because the bike's weight's all backwards to counter your own body weight. The amount of battery I bet you use doing that. Holy shit. Holy fuck. I pooped my pants when you did that. Oh, there's your buddy again.
Oh.
These two are fucked.
What time? Okay, sounds good. Alright, easy.
That was fucked. That's the thing I love about small towns. There's such little people, you end up knowing everybody. So when you're driving around, because we're in a small town and we're on e-bikes, we're not leaving town, you end up seeing the same person if they're doing the same thing, fuck, 10, 20 times even. So you end up doing stuff like that, and then other people end up kind of recognizing your bike and like, that he's a goofball on his bike and shit, right? So people kind of laugh whenever they see him, because they're like, oh, he's probably up to something fucking hilarious. Pardon? Where's he going? Back there. What's back here? I'm at like the lowest battery I think I've ever done a video with. I'm at 35. Normally, once I hit this point, I'd go home and start charging, but today I think we're just gonna send it. What's he doing? Holy fuck! Holy fuck! You okay?
Yeah, no, I died.
What did you lock your brake?
I didn't do it. The bike did it.
What the fuck? Are you good?
Yeah.
Holy fuck!
I'm gonna fracture my thumb again now.
What the fuck? That's not what I expected. I turn around, I'm like, what the hell just happened?
Gushing.
Yeah, you're bleeding a little bit there, buddy. Jesus Murphy.
Nah, it died on me. Like it blacked out the screen.
What? Oh, probably the water, buddy. Okay, we should head back then. Holy fuck.
I'm glad that they did not see that.
Dude, you fucking just... I was like, what the fuck?
No, I'm glad that those police did not see that right there.
Dude, that was so bad. That was so bad. They would have stopped too and been like, are you okay? If the cops seen that one?
Fuck you too, bastard.
Well, we were sat there for like 4 exchanges.
I got from my time demo.
Possible. That one was a pretty good crash. You can hear it. I was like, what the hell?
I don't know, it blacked out and then it shut off.
Ah! 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 Ah!
For sure you locked up that back tire and it just went shh.
I'm gonna broke my thumb.
You think you broke your thumb?
Yeah.
That's possible. Can you move it? Probably then.
Oh, I'm tearing up.
And if it goes up and down, like, which way? Like that, on its own? Then yeah. I thought for sure he was gonna come in with the tire sideways. I'm gonna have an ow count right there. I think we're up to like 20. That was a lot of ows.
I dead ass broke my thumb.
Hospital before home? What the fuck was that?
Fuck. My arm, that's okay. That's.
Yeah, hospital home?
Yeah, no, I think so. Ow.
Because I know from experience you can park the bike outside the hospital.
Fuck. Nah, this is about ready to die.
Pardon?
This is about ready to die. I went full throttle there for a second, and I tapped on the brake. And when I tapped on the brake, the screen went black and everything, and it just fucking stuck. Like, the back wheel went, like, stiff.
That's weird though, because your screen won't affect the hydraulics. It's a different system.
No, so I don't know if my 12 volt is going off right now. And I don't know if the 12 volt is affecting something in there because there's water. But I think I might have actually re-broke my thumb.
Yeah, probably.
I either re-broke it or re-fractured it, but I can't pick up my hand. These 2 fingers won't move.
Huh.
This elbow hurts like a motherfucker.
Careful, it's slippery. Careful, it's slippery.
I'm bleeding. I'm kind of crying too. Why the fuck the front? I go like this. The fuck? I didn't even click it hard. I went like this. We're rolling down the hill, okay? I went. And then all of a sudden, bam!
Well, you were in the whole other lane, so I was like, is this guy fucking locking his brake up on the fucking stop again? So I figured for sure that's what you were doing.
No. The second I felt it start to slide down, I let go of the bars and everything. And I'm like, no, we're going down. I'm smashing my head.
Probably.
So that's why I caught myself with my hand.
Alright, something happened. The bike's different. Don't be shocked. I warned you.
It's a pit bike now.
It's definitely a pit bike now. serious modifications. Feeling. I had a feeling. One more for the camera, one more for the camera, one more for the camera. Just pick it up this time. That's retarded. That's retarded.